Good day, everyone. Thanks for joining me for Origami with Miss Cynthia. These hot summer days have me dreaming of a delicious 3-scoop ice cream cone. Today, I will teach you how to create an origami ice cream cone. Let's get started. The supplies you will need is a sheet of paper, some coloring supplies, and a pair of scissors. Once you've selected your sheet of paper, we're going to fold the paper downward into a triangle shape. Our goal is to get a square out of this sheet. So fold it down like this. And you want to cut off this side piece so that rectangle shape goes cut off. You're going to have to cut it off. Just like this. We're going to open it up and you're going to do a kite fold. Just like this. And do the same thing to the other side. Just like this. All right. So we're going to open one of the flaps and bring it down. And you're going to align this bottom edge so it's straight, but up until this folding here, like this, and do the same thing to the other side. So fold it this way, and just make sure that bottom piece aligns to the opposite side, but then it's also straight, and it lines up to that edge of that paper. Okay, so now we want to hide these away, so go ahead and flip it over. And we're going to fold these little flaps hanging off to the side, just inward, just like this. Just make sure you crease them really good so they're not popping out at a later point. Just like this. Now the top part of your ice cream cone on the back side, we are going to do another kite fold. So bring this edge over to that center. Fold just like this, and do the same thing to the other side. Bring this corner inside into a kite fold, and there we go. Go ahead and crease it. Now flip your whole entire model over. Now we have a really tall ice cream cone there. So you want to create some ice cream scoops. So fold this big piece downward up until the edge of each corner here. So fold it down. And then we're going to create your second layer. So you're going to fold it like this. And then you're going to fold it again downward. Now we just created our second layer of ice cream there. Bring that up to the top. Now, so it's not sticking straight up, we're going to just fold it over to the edge like this, so the back side will look like this. Just like that. So now you can color in your ice cream. We're going to start with our famous waffle cone and do some hashtags on that cone. Just like this. And let's create some eyes on our ice cream cone here. So let's see, I think I'm going to do my ice cream winking. There's one of my eyes, and then the other one we're going to create a circle, and then we're going to do that circle and circle technique. So a little circle there, another one here, and then going to color in around those two circles, just like this. And of course we need some eyelashes on this, so we're going to do that. Little swishes there for some eyelashes. And now you can color in your ice cream cone. And I wanted to show you guys what I had design here. So here is one of my ice cream cones, and if you want your ice cream cone with both of their eyes looking at you, there you go. Those are your 2 ice cream cones. I hope you enjoyed making this origami ice cream with me. I'm excited to fold another amazing origami masterpiece with you next week. Bye guys, see you soon.